My name is Bjarke Calvin, and I have a long background in internet media. I worked for Magnum Photos, a big photo agency, and I ran a couple of media startups myself. And these days I work in the intersection of technology, business, and content, and create visionary projects in that field. I'm teaching the students to not only use social media as a way to get exposure and get other people to look at you, but also as a way to give other people something that can enlighten them or make them more knowledgeable about something, because I think that's a better strategy in the long term. So the workshop is about storytelling for social media, but I think probably the most valuable thing is to take some time out and think about the function of social media. How can it serve us as people, as society, instead of just mindlessly posting stuff? So it's partly about the storytelling, but it's also partly about reflecting about what you use it for. I think one of the best advices I got was something that's somewhat of a cliche. It's the follow your heart thing, but I think it is generally a pretty good advice, because it's such a shifting industry that it's hard to work out a strategy. But I think you shouldn't just mindlessly follow your heart. That can lead potential to disaster. But find something that you're really passionate about and follow that, because usually what you're passionate about, you also get really good at.